Welcome to the demo of our project AI Virtual Mouse. The system is designed to let users control their computer using just their voice, hand gestures, and eye movements, creating a seamless, hands-free interaction experience. We have broken the demo into three main sections: voice control, hand gesture control, and eye movement tracking. Now let me introduce you to our AI voice assistant. This intelligent system listens to your voice, understands your query, and classifies it into different types like general conversation, real-time search, or specific automation tasks such as opening applications, playing music, or writing content. It does it with the help of the files in the backend, such as automation.py, which handles the automation task, chatbot.py, which handles the general queries and answers the general query questions from the user. Model.py classifies the queries into general, real-time, or automation. The real-time search engine.py does the real-time search using Google API, and speech.text.py and text-to-speech.py. The main.py integrates all of this and runs the system. Open YouTube and play Blue. Open Chrome and search Tesla. Make a leave letter for me. I'm sick. How are you today?
I'm doing well, thanks. I'm a large language model, so I don't have emotions or feelings like humans do, but I'm functioning properly and ready to assist you with any questions or tasks you may have.
Who is the president of Uzbekistan?
According to the provided search results, the president of Uzbekistan is Shavkat Mirziyoyev. He has been serving as the second president of Uzbekistan and supreme commander-in-chief of the armed forces of Uzbekistan since 2016.
Can you make a job letter for me? Thank you.
You're welcome.
Now let's move on to the hand gesture controls. We use MediaPipe to detect different hand landmarks and recognize the gestures. So first I hold a piece or a V sign with the index and middle fingers extended. So this allows me to control the cursor position by moving my hand around like that. Then for mouse actions like left click, I can keep the same position and bend my index finger alone to perform a left click, and by bending only the middle finger, that does a right click. So to drag and drop, I can close the V sign and then start dragging and then move my hand to the desired spot and then reopen the V to drop. So that is about drag and drop. And for advanced gestures, like for selecting multiple items, I can show a full open palm that freezes the cursor for a second and then make a grabbing motion so that I can select multiple icons or whatever files that I need to select. And then I can move by using the open V and then closing it, moving to the desired location method. So like that I can have multiple selection options. Along with that, to control the brightness, I can make an OK sign, thumb and index finger forming a circle and moving my hand horizontally. That increases or decreases brightness. By moving right, I can increase the brightness, and by keeping the position and moving left horizontally, I can decrease the brightness. Similarly, to control volume also, I can use the same OK sign and move my hand vertically upwards to increase and vertically downwards to decrease. demonstrating how to control using our eye. So as I move my eyes left and right, the cursor follows. And to perform a left click, we can do a left blink, and a right blink is performing a right click. Blinking both eyes together, we can trigger a double click. And by moving my head, I can control the direction of the mouse. So by making this makes our navigation very seamless and intuitive. So, as a fun and practical demonstration of how our system works in real time, we have integrated it with the classic Dino game, the one that shows up when there is no internet. So, here I'm using my hand gestures to control the Dino. So, when I show my hand, the Dino jumps, and when I take my hand off, the Dino doesn't jump. So, this shows how our system is not just for accessibility but also for gesture control gaming. So, let's try to do that. So the dino only jumps when I show my hand. And this is a very simple implementation of our hand gesture thing. Okay. So that is our AI virtual mouse, a fully contactless system that is enabling control through eye movements, facial gestures, and voice commands. So we believe this technology can create real impact in improving accessibility, inclusivity, and user experience in human-computer interaction. So thank you.